Hey everyone, do you want to customize your iPhone and make your home screen even more functional? Today, I'm going to show you how to add widgets to your iPhone in just under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, go to your home screen. To start, simply long press anywhere on the screen, like you're about to move an app. Your app will start wiggling and you'll see an option to add widget. Next, tap on the plus button on the top corner of the screen. This will open Widgets Gallery where you can pick from a variety of widgets. Now scroll through the available widgets. You can add widgets for weather, calendar, notes and more. Let's say we want to add the weather widget. Tap on the widget that you want and you'll get to choose the size. There are small, medium and large options depending on what you prefer. Once you have chosen the size, just tap Add Widget and it will appear on your home screen. You can drag it around to place wherever you want. When you're done, just tap Done on the top right corner and your widget is set. There you go. That's how you add widgets to your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more quick tips. See you in the next video.